Okay guys, so this way, okay, on my left, this is the road going to Gatlinburg. On my right, this is going to North Carolina. And I'm surprised. I'm surprised that there's a pathway going to the river. So, we'll show you guys. Hello. Oh wow, that's the river. That's the bridge. Oh, okay. And then there's that. Oh wow. I didn't know this. Guys, I didn't know this.
Down here.
So where are we going now?
Yeah, I can't do it.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh. I love to walk down the river. Hello, cousin. Oh, your request. So I'm coming down here to the river. Payapa lang sila dito. Payapa ang ilog. Parang maduming lakaran. Putik yata ito. Uy, Ani. Can I take off my shoes? But it's like it's mud.
Well, it is a little murky from the snow, but you can still.
And then what? My feet's gonna get dirty.
Well, you want to go in the water.
Oh, ang cute, no?
Frame it.
So cute. Hello, nature.
You talking to your
Uh-oh. It's so peaceful. You know, pag gusto mo mag muni-muni, ganyan lang, muni-muni lang. What is the word for muni-muni? You know, you're kind of like, if you want to have peaceful, serene, and then if you want to think, meditate. Yun. Gusto mo mag-meditate, magmuni-muni ka, yan, ganito ang buhay-buhay, pag muni-muni. May tao doon sa taas. Oh. Merong, malalakaran natin yan. Pakita ko sa inyo, lalakarin natin yan mamaya. Kaya lang, pag papadilim na, pag medyo, malamok na rin dito, it's already have like, no seams and a lot of flies. Mosquitoes?
Not today.
Well, it's gonna get dim, right?
Well, after the sun goes down.
Yeah, that's what I said. So before the sun goes down, we gotta get hurry. We gotta go, and
Show more.
I will show you more in a later on. Like, okay, this is again another request.
Keep it still. Your camera, you're waving.
Okay, so this is another request. Okay, just keep on requesting. Uh, mga guys, mag-request lang po kayo at sa channel ko, just like your comment below, and then send me a request and I'll do it for you. And this is gonna be series of series of blogs that I will do for requests. I don't know when it's gonna stop and I don't know when it's gonna start. But right now I'm doing one of them, and it's for the people all over. And I'm doing this for my channel. Alright. Thank you. Okay guys, so lalakarin ko to. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bridge. Maganda pala dito. It's so nice in here. I didn't know that this one exists. There's always a first.
That's right.
O, pwede ka rin pala bumaba dyan. Okay, pasyal-pasyal lang. I've been telling people, you know, that I'm gonna do a series of nature videos.
How about you?
Subscribe to your channel, by the way.
I'm sorry?
You subscribe to your channel.
Thank
by the
you.
way. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate that very much. Hers too.
Yeah.
Go to Panay.
I did it, yeah.
Get over here. Frame it up.
Oh wow, look at that.
On this side. You silly girl.
If
This
you,
road you can.
I do
handicap
remember
people.
this.
Yes, we've been here.
We've
about
been
2
here
years
so
ago.
many times.
I used to come here all the time.
I do remember there was a couple that we
Oh yeah.
there
We
was
interviewed
that
a lot of
couple. Oh, okay, now I remember this video.
people.
There was a couple here that we met.
Yeah. Met a lot of
The
subscribers.
what was that? During winter time.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So I remember this path. I thought it was my first time.
No.
So guys, hindi ko pala to first time.
Forget that. She told me the same thing. I was the first.
Hindi ko. Guys, hindi ko pala ito first time. Akala ko lang pala. Okay, so this is the road where there was that broken
There's old cabins.
old cabin that's been there built for 100 years,
Oh,
and
please.
yeah, and then the only thing that's left was the chimney. Okay, now I remember. It's a nice walk,
Oh, it's beautiful.
actually.
It's circular.
And guys, ano to? Hindi siya malamok. It's not yet. There's no mosquito yet.
No.
Kasi mataas pa ang araw. O, 'di ba? O, mataas pa yung araw, o. Pero pagka simulang dumilim and the sun went down, it starts to come down.
It's already getting cooler. You notice it? Feel it?
Yeah. At saka malamig nga pala dito kasi bundok, bulubundukin. So palaging malamig, para kang nasa Baguio. It's like you're in Baguio City.
Really?
Yeah. It's like you're in Baguio City. It's a cooler temperature
Dry too.
here in the Smoky Mountains. Well, Baguio City is mountainous.
That's why it's drier and cooler.
Yes.
Humidity's always down.
Mhm. Baguio, Tagaytay. Yeah.
Go there.
Oh, what is that?
You'll see. I'm gonna push you over the mountain. They're gonna see that's the last video. You going over the mountain.
Ay, ang ganda, oh, guys. Oh, this is pretty.
In the pretty.
Pretty, pretty, pretty. No? Oh.
And those are oh God, what are they called? There's some of the plants right there. I can't. Gardenias.
Oh, really?
These are
We
all
gotta get
gardenias.
swamped.
I'm not going down in there. You'll fall down the mountain.
Oh. How come that it got planted there?
No, that's nature. It's natural. Nobody planted anything.
Oh.
This is the way it is. Come on, keep going this way.
They were. I don't know if they ever, but like they were very.
Ah, look at that. The gardenia. So it's a loop? How come that we didn't do a loop?
It's a few miles.
Oh. Oh, there they are.
Hey guys. This is a great path.
You know where it leads?
It's a circle.
Oh, it is.
Goes completely around.
Back to
Right back to where you were. You won't get lost.
Visit the goat coaster.
Have you been to the goat coaster yet? It's in Pigeon Forge. Just going back in there. If I see you there, I'll put you on the ride free.
Or if
Goat coaster, it's called. There's only one called the goat coaster. You're gonna go. Do you know the area?
Where's
You know
Valley?
what Parkway is. You're in Gatlinburg now. If you go towards Pigeon Forge, it dumps you out on the Parkway. Just stay on Parkway, make a left at 321. It's the main road. Go 1.5 miles. You can't miss it. Goat coaster. Just look for that. You'll see one of us
Is
there.
that West Valley Road?
Yeah, West Valley Road.
West Valley Road.
Oh, you'll love the ride.
Not,
Fastest one in the Smokies.
don't go there tomorrow. We're not there
I'm not there
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Look at chimney. See, they had to block it off because the idiots, people taking stones out of it.
Stones?
Yeah, they try to strip it down because there's always an idiot tourist that destroys things that are national treasures.
Oh.
Kids were climbing on it,
Oh, really? And then
Yeah.
taking a picture.
taking pictures and stones, and they're gonna fall, kill themselves. Call Saul, their lawyer, and sue them for everything they've done.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very
Oh,
sad.
yeah, I need to take a picture of me. So this is the old chimney, 100 century
or more, 100 years
century
old. Or more.
old.
Yeah, some of these are a couple of 100 years old. Your battery's going dead. Smile. Okay. Your battery's going dead. 15%.
So
You won't make
guys,
it up that
ito na yung natirang chimney. Bali bahay siya, pero dahil sa kalumaan.
This was an old log cabin here. That you could see where the
Is
cabin
that
was.
part of that?
That's part of the cabin. This was the chimney.
That is part of that.
Right. Actually, the cabin came out here. Let's see where it was. Here, and that it went around the back. So this was
okay.
somebody's cabin, 100, 200 years old.
So the whole thing. See that whole thing right there. Right there, yan. Yan, isang bahay yan. Isang bahay. Ngayon
And look at the view they had.
nasira na. Kalumaan na, 100 years old. Tapos, ito yung kanilang view. Oh. Ito bali yung kanilang patubig nila. Oh, yan ang patubig. Yan. That's nice. That's their view.
That's where they got their fish.
Dito sila pala nangingisda. Yang na yan, bumababa sila dyan. Going down?
Yeah,
That's
it's going down.
treasures.
No, what happens is they had it blocked off. During the winter, you can see the rocks that they blocked it off, and the fish it'd be a quiet. See how calm it is right there, and they'd be able to fish there, and just catch their
But how
dinner.
do you go down?
There would have been a path here somewhere 100 years ago. It's just not here anymore.
Going down, huh?
Oh yeah, you gotta go
Probably
down and get your fish.
the family made like a wooden staircase or something.
Could be, yeah. It's all gone because there's no wood left of this cabin. It's all gone. This is it.
Guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Ito yung tinatawag nilang 100 years old cabin. Ito na lang guys ang natira. Aray ko, natumba pa ako. Ito na lang guys ang natira. Oh, ayan. Ito yung parang pader nila. Yan na lang natira. Tapos yun yung nga nila. Yan. Ito yung parang pinakabahay. Oh. Yan na lang natira. Sa nila. Yan. Yung kung ano yung nakikita ninyong mga bato. Yan na lang bali yung pinaka-square. Mag-imagine na lang kayong square yan. Kasama to. Oh. I-imagine nyo na lang na square yan. Yan ang bahay. Pero yan na lang ang natira. Imagine nyo yan. Sa tagal ng panahon. Okay guys. Salamat sa pag-subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.